Alright, we're free and correct. Alright, are you ready to go?
Yes.
Okay, we're ready to go. We'll switch over to 119.4.
Grumman 28310, Danbury ground.
Danbury ground, Grumman 28310.
A position.
We're Charlie, holding short of runway 26.
Grumman 310, roger.
Okay, that was weird.
Maybe it's because that jet behind you won't go?
Danbury Tower, this is Grumman 28310, holding short runway 26 at Charlie. Would like to depart VFR towards the north.
Grumman 28310, right turnout northbound, approved runway 26, clear for takeoff.
Right turnout, northbound approve, runway 26, clear for takeoff, Grumman 28310. Okay, so he cleared us. We're good. Landing light, strobe, nav, everything's on. We kind of cut that guy a little bit.
Well, why did he pull out to do a run-up?
Yeah, I don't know. So,
Sitting there.
yeah, not really ready to go. So we're going to turn to the right after.
Danbury Tower, 4 Echo Papa, midfield, full stop.
Alright, we got full power.
Traffic, Grumman departing runway 26, runway 26, clear to land.
Airspeed's coming alive. 50, 60, rotating. Climbing out 90, positive rate of climb. Do our right turnout. Okay, so this airport that we're going to,
Yeah.
there's a lot of glider activity in the area. So you have to like keep an eye out for them as we're going to be coming into land.
Gliders, so they have...
They have the right of way.
No, I mean, like, what kind of equipment is a glider carrying?
It could just be nothing. It might be even no radio equipment. So that's what I'm saying. You have to kind of keep an eye out for them.
Danbury Tower.
Do you see this clearing up here on the left? It looks like kind of like tan grass.
Yeah.
That's actually a grass runway.
Oh. Did you change the settings where it now tells you the call sign of the airplane?
No,
I didn't even see that before.
Danbury Tower.
it doesn't always have it.
November Echo, holding short at 26, 4 northbound departure.
I think it's just the ones that have
Unit
the
50 Kilo Juliet, you contact departure.
ADSB out.
Skyline 723 November Echo, hold short.
So I think it's just those.
They all have them.
Yeah, or when you're like within a certain range of the tower.
We're pretty high.
Yeah, we are.
Lately, you haven't been this high, right?
Yeah, not really. Well, we're going through mountains, so right now we're at 6,000.
Yeah, my head can feel it. I have a lot of pressure right now. My forehead.
Are you feeling okay?
Yeah, it just hurts a little bit. But it says ETA 22 minutes.
Yeah, but that's first checkpoint.
Oh. Hey, that looks like a ski resort right there.
Yeah, I think it is.
Ball. I think I can handle that one. We should go there. It's easy.
Yeah, it's totally different up here in the wintertime. I feel like you can kind of see more because there's less trees blocking everything, like leaves blocking.
Yeah. Yeah, that's where you find all these hidden houses.
Yeah.
Hard for airplanes to find people when they're doing search rescues.
Yeah, it's difficult. We're doing great. We're 149 ground speed. That's really fast.
18.9, thanks for your help.
And there's no wind, so you're not getting any tailwind, right?
Yeah, we're not getting anything. There's an airport, I believe, in that clearing over there on the left.
That brown spot.
Yeah, Coladza. I'll switch.
Can you say again, please?
I'll switch the tanks when we get in range of the airport.
2007.
Actually, I think that's the airport down there. Now that I look at it. Alright, we'll switch tanks now. Fuel pump on.
Bradley approach, Skylark
Switch tank.
7968 Tango.
Tank switch.
Skylark 7968 Tango, Bradley, go ahead.
7968 Tango, just departed
Fuel pump off.
Northampton to the northwest. Out of 2,000,
Feel good?
4,500.
You see that big mountain up there?
3 o'clock now.
Where the airport's on the other side of that mountain.
The airport that we're going to.
Yep. So we'll have to kind of go around the mountain.
36. Another Cherokee.
I mean, I guess we can go to the right of the mountain and come like that. Instead of going like that.
Bradley approach, Archer 84007.
Why?
Wind is 120, so we actually have to go that way because we have to land. We have to go around the mountain this way, make a left because it's left traffic for runway 11, and then land on runway 11.
That it's untowered?
Yeah, it's untowered. So this is the town of Pittsfield, but there's a ski area here in the valley on the left side of the mountain. I think you can kind of see it. Harriman traffic, this is Grumman Tiger, about 7 miles southeast, altitude 4,600. We'll be positioning to enter left downwind for runway 11, Harriman West traffic. Harriman West traffic, Grumman Tiger, left crosswind runway 11. We'll be entering left downwind runway 11, Harriman West traffic. Harriman West traffic, Grumman Tiger, left downwind runway 11, Harriman West. Harriman West traffic, Grumman Tiger, turning left base runway 11, Harriman West. Harriman West traffic, Grumman Tiger, left base to final, runway 11, Harriman West. Put full flaps here. It's a 4,300 foot runway, so we got plenty of room.
So is it like Oxford?
Yeah, except there's untowered. Alright, we got full flaps. Line up, everything's good. We got the runway made. Now, bird. Okay, touchdown. Flaps are coming out. Harriman West traffic, Grumman Tiger, clear of active runway, Harriman West.